Hey lovers, my name is Faith, but you can call me Faithy. Are you looking to spicing things up, create some sort of relaxation between you and your partner, or ease tense after a long day? Look no further. Your go-to channel for creating intimate massage tips for couples or in your relationship. Here on this channel, we'll be teaching you how to create deep connection, intimacy with your partner. Note, this channel is not just about talking about or showing how massage is done. It's not just about massage tips. It is also about creating lovely memories between you and your partner. Things that will keep the fire burning in your relationship or in your marriage.